Dietary measures are an essential part of the treatment of diabetic patients. Lady's finger is one of the superfoods that will control blood sugar level. Today in this video, let us go across the uses and benefits of okra for diabetic patients. Okra also has another 3 compounds that have positive effect on sugar control. Okra can be included in the diet in many different forms. Okra water is one of the way of consuming okra. It is a super drink and it has been used traditionally. Okra is a freely available vegetable and it is good for diabetes control, but having it in excess will not mean more health. Some people are very fond of bindi while some are not. But bindi is a super healthy, incredibly versatile and super easy to prepare too. If you are diabetic or your loved ones are diabetic, try including this humble vegetable in your diet. Make your diet healthy and stay away from diabetes. If you find this video helpful, do share it with your friends and family and do support and subscribe. Thank you.